You know that really pretty sunburned blush look, like the one that kind of goes like this? I'm gonna bet no one's ever actually taught you how to do that. If you're new here, I'm Kat. I am a makeup artist, esthetician, skincare expert. I work with dermatologists, plastic surgeons. I do all the shit. And here I am teaching you how to do this shit. So what we're going to do is use a cream blush. I like a cream blush for this versus a powder because we really want it to look like it's part of your skin and not something sitting on your skin. When it comes to choosing a color to do this with, I tend to choose something in that sort of rusty family that it's going to look like sunburnt skin. So I already have on a BB cream, some concealer, but no powder, nothing like that. Where I like to start from is this outer corner of the eye right on top of the cheekbone. So there's my cheekbone there. I'm not going on it. I'm not going under it. I'm going to go on top of it. So start right there and draw straight across to the nose. Same thing on the other side. Start right here, draw straight across to the nose, and then I do one little dot sort of right in the middle. I am using the nude sticks and the shade is Sunkissed. And what I love about this is it has a brush on the side. Using circular motions, I'm just gonna start to work this in. Once I have that blush on, I'm gonna take a tiny little bit of bronzer and just tap that right on top of the blush. It's gonna kind of lock that blush in. This is the Makeup by Mario. It's the Skin Perfector. I use shade medium. Now I'm gonna go in with the more shimmery highlight and put that right up here underneath my eye and sitting right on top of that blush. Same thing on the other side. Also with this look, what looks really pretty is to add a little highlight to the nose. What it does is just add a lot of contrast, and I do the same thing right on the lids. I just threw my hair up, but like, how cute is that? Does it not? I think it looks like that filter. You know that filter you see on here that's kind of that really bronzy? I think it's stunning. I think it's really youthful and it looks good on absolutely everyone.